Well, you'd think being called police health, obviously, they would obviously understand our specific needs because not everybody probably understands the job we do.
My bike had just slipped on some leaves in a bend, and that stood my bike up and put me straight into a big gum tree.
I've got bad knees. I've had a few operations now.
I had a heart attack in 2006.
So I had 2 pregnancies with police health.
I was able to go to the hospital straight away and basically just signed a form, and that was the only thing I had to do. Everything was looked after.
After 6 operations, I was right to be transferred 3 months later back up to Brisbane to be closer to home.
It was great having the health fund when I did my ankle reconstruction. If I didn't have that done, I wouldn't be able to pursue what I want to do with the police.
We have certain things in our job that a lot of other health funds wouldn't understand and wouldn't necessarily cover us for.
I know Police Health has spent over $100,000 on just this accident and me alone.
Police health have been fantastic. They're easy to deal with and quick to pick up the phone when you call.
They have made the best of what's been a pretty bad situation.
When I met Carol, my current wife, she ended up having a problem with a gallbladder, and we just got her into police health because we were about to get married. So we then had to get her urgently into surgery, and we were able to find a surgeon on the Friday, and she was operated on the Monday.
To me, one of the most important things about learning to walk again is that in 6 months' time, my middle daughter is married, and that's been a goal for me to be able to walk her. And it's been a goal for me to be able to walk her down the aisle.